Oh, hey guys. How's it going? It's Rich, HVAC guy. Welcome to another edition of Uncle Dick's Redneck Motherfucking Kitchen, bitches. This is round 2 of bacon. As you seen yesterday, what I did was I salted the shit out of my bacon, had it in the fridge 24 hours, let those fucking liquids just come right out. On this show, we're basically doing the same thing as day 1, but it's day 2. What you want to do when you cure bacon is you want to draw the moisture out. You got to get that moisture out. If you let the moisture sit, there's bacteria and mold and whatever comes with it. It'll make you sick. You know, you're not showing up to work the next day, no way. So what we did yesterday, we salted everything, like the fucking shit out of everything. Put it in the fridge, and you're probably asking, well, why am I down in the mechanical room? Yes, I am in the mechanical room. My wife won't let me do stuff like this upstairs. She said I'm a pig and I'm a mess. And to be quite frank with you, she doesn't know I'm doing it down here either. I'm pretty sure when she finds out, she's gonna flip, but whatever. She'll figure it out. So overnight, I'm gonna show you what we drew out. Is all these liquids here came out of the bacon. So I'm putting them on the rocks. And if my wife finds out I'm putting them on the rocks in the fridge, she's gonna fucking kill me. But I am putting them on the rocks. See the salt and it's all dripping down, and that's what you want. You want to draw the moisture out. So we use salt to draw moisture out. It's been used for 10,000 years. It's an easy process. It's barbaric, but it works. So the fast track shit, I already resalted all my bellies here. They're ready to go back in. And then I also have pork rolls. Those are back bacon rolls or whatever. They have to be resalted. Stay tuned.